Bawasan mo. Hindi na masyado. Pwede na.
second free throw, no good. Still by Adolfo driving in, followed up by Festin for two. Tom Kim to JC Amon. Dribbling from the left side, defended by Festin. Amon picks up a shot. Tom Kim from the left wing once again. JC Amon dribbling up against Cuyos. Driving in from down low. Post, not good enough. Torquator with a rebound. Ramos steals it. Ramos seals it with two. Festin, good pass to Felix Adolfo. Felix the GOAT with 3 points. Here's Tom Kim. Tom Kim has a pass to Manuel. Off back to Tom Kim once again. Too strong for Kim. That's with JC Amon. Makes a pass to Gutierrez. Long range rebound. Cuyos. Driving in. Cuyos. Mamadali stolen by Matty Gutierrez. Matty moving up and over. Matty Gutierrez with a good 2-pointer for Matty. Cangas over to Fredo Dato. Up down over for Felix, not enough for him. Here's Carrillo makes a good pass over to Lim to Balana. Off Carrillo defended by Felix. Nearly sends it outside. 10-second shot clock. Amon to Balana, puts up a shot. Adolfo takes a shot to Cangas. Over to Fred. Adolfo over to Torquator gets stopped. Rebound Carrillo driving in over to Matty Gutierrez. Bumps up Felix. In and out for Matty. Matty from down low grabs the ball once more. Off to Balana. Nearly puts a 2 up. Won't go. Rebound. And a score. Adolfo to Fred Odato for 3. Not enough for Fred Odato. Carrillo makes a pass. To Matty Gutierrez for 2. Matty Gutierrez with 12 points on the board. Here's Cuyos driving in, makes a pass to Torquator off of the perimeter. Torquator sends it to Fred Odato. Thinks about the shot, makes a pass, back off to Torquator, driving in with the left hand. Matty Gutierrez gets 14 points for the ball. Gutierrez sends a long pass over to Carrillo, but the one not able to come first. Here's Odato all alone, Odato with 2. 15 seconds left in the quarter. Here's Matty Gutierrez. 14 points on the board. Matty up and over, put 16 points on the board. 12 seconds left in the quarter. Long range pass, 1 second left. Odato will not put it in. Ladies and gentlemen, our score 19-29 and a 10-point lead. Odato from the right wing. Odato, not enough for Odato, rebound Manuel. Here's Thompson, defended by Otato. Thompson down low, nearly puts it up. It's a rebound for him. Looking for someone to pass, but it's no good. Rebound, Alberto. Abdulas driving up and over. Off the pass, Rodriguez.
Tayo nakakaskor, oh. Kailangan mo dyan, para makascore.
JG, Amon, to Tom, in for three. No good.